what I'm doing here is I'm taking some silicone paste and getting it on the end of this thing here. And this is going to help keep the old O-rings from inside of the fuel fitting from tearing. Doesn't have to be a lot, just something that it'll let slide over. Okay. Alright, stick it there. There's the fuel filter. As you can see, it's got one connection on one side and one connection on the other. And it has a hose clamp that holds it to the bracket. So I'm going to probably take that off first, and then I'll release these clamps because I want to be able to throw the other fuel filter in as fast as I can. Sorry about the video. This is really one of the first times I've been using this camera since I bought it. I thought that one. Alright. Just unscrew this clamp all the way. Okay. Just leave it like that. Okay. Alright, and now I'm going to take my... Oh, I have my tools here. Alright, so these little tabs, they have this little like retainer thing on the side so they can't be pulled out. You gotta get that, and it's always on the opposite side of where you're working, so you can't see it. Which is why it's nice that we're gonna be here. Can I be able to open this? Alright. That's why I have two of these so that I can lift it out while pushing in. And I know we have new ones, but I don't really want to use them unless I have to, so there we go. Okay. Alright, little fighting, but okay, it's good. Oh, you know what, I might use it because it looks like it was already broken. Okay, well, that's why it's nice that they gave me some. Okay. And now this guy, he is on the other side completely and I cannot see him. Wonderful. I don't like that it's upside down. I'm going to remedy that, I think. Somebody was being stupid when they did the fuel filter before. Alright, well, maybe I'll break this one. This is obviously a replacement. It doesn't even look like it needs to be replaced. I think they broke this originally and then... Yep, that's what it looks like. They broke them and just put them back in. How nice. Okay, let's just have these handy because it's going to get messy quick. Alright. Get my sleeves up so they don't... Okay, so these should just pull off now. Those guys are off. Alright, let's put that aside. Get this guy connected. Alright, look at that. That was fast. I don't think... Oh, there, that filter has a... I like to orient the part number out just in case, you know, whatever reason I might need it out. And it looks like in this filter it gets covered the same as the other one did anyway. snug, not going anywhere. These aren't interfering with anything. Okay. Alright, we're done. Fuel filter replaced. Fuel filter replaced. Okay. Alright, see, this is all fixed.